COVID-19 cases rising. Based on the most recent data, it has been determined that COVID-19 activity is increasing in the north-central Pennsylvania area. The following new cases were reported for today as of 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time on October 30th, 2020. Northumberland County, 20 new cases. Tioga County, 14 new cases. Snyder and Union counties, combined 9 cases. The following new cases were reported yesterday. Northumberland County, 24 new cases. Lycoming County, 11 new cases. Snyder County, 7 new cases. Clinton and Columbia counties, combined 6 new cases. What should you do? Continue following the CDC guidelines. Wash your hands regularly with soap and water or using alcohol-based hand rub. Maintain at least 6 feet distance between you and people coughing or sneezing. Avoid touching your face. Cover your mouth and nose when coughing or sneezing. Stay home if you feel unwell. Refrain from smoking and other activities that weaken the lungs. Practice physical distancing by avoiding unnecessary travel and staying away from large groups of people. For more information, visit https://www.who.int/health-topics/coronavirus. That website again is https://www.who.int/health-topics/coronavirus. This has been the O1 Command Office of Emergency Management.
An administrative message has been issued for the City of Washington beginning at 7:54 p.m. and ending at 1:54 a.m. The Metropolitan Police Department is seeking the public's assistance in locating 17-year-old Dajana Daly, who was last seen in the 200 block of I Street, Southeast Washington, D.C. on Wednesday. Dajana Daly is described as a black female with a medium-light complexion, 5'4", 180 pounds with short brown hair and brown eyes. She was last seen wearing a black and white hooded sweatshirt, light blue jeans, and pink and white tennis shoes. If you have any information, please call 202-727-9099 or text tips to 50411. Thank you.
This Amber Alert is for Gage Sands, a 1-year-old white male, blonde hair, blue eyes, last seen wearing blue and black hoodie and sweatpants. Gage was forcibly abducted by Joseph Sands, a white male, 37 years old. Suspect has threatened to kill Gage as well as others. Suspect may be armed with knives. The vehicle that was used in the abduction has been recovered in the Schoolcraft Township area. It is unknown if they are on foot or in an unknown vehicle. Please contact Kalamazoo County Sheriff's Office at 269-488-8911 with any information.
This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties, in Virginia, Fauquier and Prince William. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for small streams in southeastern Fauquier County in northern Virginia, south central Prince William County in northern Virginia until 10:30 a.m. Friday. At 4:21 a.m., river gauges indicated minor flooding was occurring on Cedar Run near Ayden. Roads near Cedar Run may be flooded. Some locations that may experience flooding include Bristersburg. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. All interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately. Weather Service. For the following counties, in Virginia, Fauquier and Prince William. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for small streams in southeastern Fauquier County in northern Virginia, south central Prince William County in northern Virginia until 10:30 a.m. Friday. At 4:21 a.m., river gauges indicated minor flooding was occurring on Cedar Run near Ayden. Roads near Cedar Run may be flooded. Some locations that may experience flooding include Bristersburg. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. All interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately. The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Rockingham County, southwestern Caswell County until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near McLeonsville, or 9 miles northwest of Burlington, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Camp Springs and Jericho. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter. Winter storm warning in effect until 9 a.m. Alaska Standard Time Monday. What? Heavy wet snow. Additional snow accumulations of 4 to 8 inches. Where? Glacier Bay and Juneau Borough in northern Admiralty Island. When? Until 9 a.m. Alaska Standard Time Monday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning commute. Additional details. Heavy wet snow began falling this afternoon and is expected to continue through the night. Snow may mix with rain at times late as well. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. For the latest road conditions, call 511 or visit 511alaska.gov. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following county, St. Mary's, Maryland. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for small streams in east central St. Mary's County in southern Maryland until 11 a.m. Friday. At 4:56 a.m., gauge reports indicated heavy rain is leading to a rapid second rise along the St. Mary's River at Great Malls. Flooding is expected to begin shortly in the Warren area. This includes the following flood-prone roads: Adkins Road along the St. Mary's River, Point Lookout Road near St. Mary's River, Boot Farm Lane, Flatiron Road along the St. Mary's River, Goddard Road along the St. Mary's River, Piney Point Road near Johns Creek, Montgomery Lane, Western Branch Road, Indian Bridge Road near Onion Fields Lane. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. All interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately.
A civil authority has issued a child abduction emergency for the following counties/areas. Utah at 11:37 p.m. on November 1st, 2020, effective until 4:37 am November 2nd, 2020. Message from IPOSCAP. The suspect is identified as Vigil Letitia. She is 5 feet 3 inches tall, weighing 130 pounds. She has brown hair. The child abduction victim is identified by police as Vigil Leanna. She is an infant. She has brown hair and brown eyes. She is 2 feet inches and weighs about 14 pounds. The abduction happened at West Valley City. If you have any information, please call police at 801-840-4000 or simply dial 911.
An administrative message has been issued for the County of Prince William, the County of Fairfax, and the City of Alexandria beginning at 3:11 p.m. and ending at 9:11 p.m. Missing endangered juvenile. The Prince William County Police Department is asking for the public's help in locating a missing and endangered juvenile, Marbella Lindali Reyes Yamanzer. The investigation revealed Marbella was last seen around 4 p.m. on November 5th. At her home, Marbella resides on Oakland CT. In the Woodbridge area of Prince William County, Marbella has ties to Fairfax County and Alexandria City and may be trying to go there. Marbella is believed to be missing under voluntary circumstances and may be in need of assistance which qualifies her as being endangered. Anyone with information regarding the whereabouts of this juvenile is asked to contact Prince William County Police at 703-792-6500 or your local police department. Marbella Lindali Reyes Yamanzer, also known as Reyes Yamanzer, is described as a Hispanic female, 27 years of age, 4'11", 140 pounds with long brown hair, brown eyes, and both ears pierced multiple times. She was last seen wearing a black sweatshirt and black pants with white bands. Thank you for your help.
Pennsylvania State Police has issued an Amber Child abduction alert for the Binghamton City Police Department, New York. Binghamton City Police Department is searching for Autumn Collis, a white female, age 8, 3 foot 6 inches tall, green eyes, red hair, last seen wearing a maroon shirt with blue jeans. And Evelyn Collis, a white female, age 8, 3 foot 6 inches tall, gray eyes, blonde hair, last seen wearing a gray sweatshirt and denim jeans. Both Autumn and Evelyn were last seen at 5:30 p.m. on I-81 southbound within the city of Binghamton, traveling towards Pennsylvania. Autumn and Evelyn Collis were reported abducted by Amanda Collis, age 37, white female, 5'7" tall, 220 pounds, brown hair, green eyes. Amanda Collis is to be driving a black 1999 Eagle Talon, Maryland registration 9884Z5. Anyone with information about the abduction should immediately contact the police by calling 911. For more information, go to www.twitter.com/PA State Police.